Fréquence reggae.
Who likes Bob Marley music?
Yo, remix.
Fréquence reggae. Chaque semaine, Fréquence reggae vous propose un voyage initiatique dans le monde du reggae à travers des thèmes divers et variés. Cette semaine, place à la génération New Roots ou One Drop, ces jeunes artistes jamaïcains qui ont balayé d'un revers de la main et du micro forcément 15 ans de suprématie du raga hardcore en revenant à l'essentiel, le roots, la vibration positive.
Depuis le début des années 2000, un vent nouveau souffle sur la Jamaïque. La génération New Roots ou One Drop est partie à l'assaut des radios et des dancehall. Un son roots teinté de digital, des textes culturels et militants, c'est un retour aux valeurs des années 70 pour ces jeunes Jamaïcains et une renaissance pour la musique de Bob Marley. On commence avec Terrence Riley, très sollicité en Jamaïque. Il est aussi connu de tous les amateurs de reggae à travers le monde, notamment grâce à son album Parables, sorti en 2006, un album exceptionnel, entièrement réalisé et produit par le grand saxo jamaïcain Dean Fraser. C'est un peu le Manu Dibango jamaïcain. À noter que Terrence Riley est aussi un père très célèbre. C'est le fils du producteur Jimmy Riley qui s'est illustré tant comme chanteur dans les années 70 que comme producteur dans les années 80. Mais ne nous y trompons pas, Terrence doit tout à sa plume et à son talent. D'ailleurs, son album est passé inaperçu à sa sortie. Il lui a fallu attendre plus d'1 an pour rencontrer le succès. Depuis, les hits se sont enchaînés. On écoute Microchip, une mise en garde Rasta contre les abus de nouvelles technologies. Terrence Riley dans la radio Microchip.
Greetings, Earthlings. Don't let the computers destroy your life. Careful of the games they play with the modern technology. Oh, let me tell you, in this new age, Babylon culture, don't worship technology and bow to computers. Cause the microchip is gone, chip and failure, and bring you straight forward to creation. In this new age, Babylon culture, don't worship technology and bow to computers. Cause the microchip is gone, chip and failure, and bring you straight forward to creation. And now we're slowly depending on the machinery. Man, make the machine and get trapped in the air. Slowly depending on the technology. Caught in the web and can't come out of it. In 1999, and I did that fret and worry. Wonder if the clock did that go stop in the air. Counting down the time, New Year's Eve, 2000 come and gone, and now you think things sweet. Mind you catch a virus on the internet, and be careful of the emails that you collect. I see the whole world gone computer literate, and to the birds and the bees there is illiterate. You've got access to everything on the internet, but experience, speech, and wisdom come from around your desk. Oh, the microchip is gone, chip and failure, and bring you straight forward to creation. Slowly depending on the machinery. Man, make the machine and get trapped in the air. Slowly depending on them technology. Caught in the web and can't come out of it. No let manual days be a thing of the past. You clock in and you clock out, clockwise and clock cross. Side my brethren where you farm, ask him warm to the grass. Him say you know see everything gone digital, boss. And too much digital may be critical, physical loss. Slowly you're getting lazy and you don't know the half. What a day when your databases them crash and everything come to a stop.
On la surnomme Faya Moma, une véritable bête de scène, la reine du reggae culturel. Je veux bien sûr parler de Queen Ifrica, issue d'une famille Rasta. Elle reprend le flambeau dans la vie comme dans ses textes. Rappelons qu'elle a de qui tenir, c'est la fille de Derrick Morgan, la star du ska dans les années 60. Yes, elle nous impressionne, la Queen Ifrica, également par sa technique, un flow et une voix extraterrestre. Queen Ifrica, on écoute Below the West, le titre classé #1 hit single dès sa sortie fin 2007.
I love you, baby. Hey, me and my lover Papa just always a fight, but him know where fi do fi make me smile get bright. We war on him left and no come back till late in the hours with a bunch of the nicest flowers. Even though me vex, still me blood a boil. One look below the waist, I'm humble like a child. Can't help it, me couldn't hide the feeling. Plus him a thrill me with the more sweet talking. You know me nah gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want hold you down, baby. Him say go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me nah go box you down, baby. Now me just want hold you down, baby. Him say go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. This hardest thing about a quarrel is when everything not work out right. But if you got anything like me and for me babes, when even when me just done malice him for days, and I swear say me I go left if him not change him tricky ways. We love for one another, make everyone amaze. The children believe in everything he says. We only going through a phase, so come tell me sorry soft in my ears. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want hold you down, baby. Him say go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want hold you down, baby. Him say go and go put on your tongue. And before you know it is another baby. A real man, so me not fi run him head. No man can't come in on me bed. So even if you always see we argue about most of the things when enough man no want do, like fi help out with the kids, pay the bills on time. No nasty up me house when me just done shine. Me can't search your phone but you want search mine. A war when the whole of that combine. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want hold you down, baby. Him say go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me now go box you down, baby. Now me just want hold you down, baby. Him say go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby.
Fréquence reggae.
On continue notre exploration de la nouvelle vague roots jamaïcaine. On les appelle Génération New Roots ou One Drop. Ici, un jeune talent dans la place, il s'appelle Caesar. Il définit sa musique comme reggae soul, influencé autant par Bob Marley que par U2 ou Marvin Gaye. Il nous livre ici un excellent premier essai. La chanson s'appelle Keep On.
Well, in the game of life, let me tell you what the case is. Some people got bad hands, some people got aces, some people got diamonds, and some people got spades. Still the world keeps moving on. You got the kings and queens and jacks of all trades, and the rest make up the numbers trying to get paid. They could be working as a pair or as a group, cooperating, and some just doing wrong. You have the joke on at the club, but them just pretending, drinking and living it up, now no time for thinking. If the money ever done, they'd be quickly sinking, but they just keep grooving on. No matter who you are, you got to keep on trying and keep doing your best with the hand that you get. And don't give up that fight. No, you can't stop, you can't weep, can't keep on crying. Just keep doing your best. You know life is a test, and it's gonna be alright. Some people living in a full house with one bag of youths, making it hand to mouth, and you know that's the truth. But the loving of them heart is a food substitute, and they make it on true. Now about you, if you're born without a gold spoon, there's no time to waste. Car the road is rocky and winding, make haste. While you're bending them corners, my youths, you stay straight and just hold the faith. You'll make it through the gate. Don't get lost in the crush. If you stumble, don't drop. Don't you flush all your dreams if the journey gets tough. At the ending of the day is your face with Wayne Touch, and he knows the flop, so you don't give up. No, you got to keep on trying and keep doing your best with the hand that you get. And don't give up that fight. No, you can't stop, you can't weep, can't keep on crying. Just keep doing your best. You know life is a test, and it's gonna be alright.
Who likes Bob Marley music?
They call it bad.
C'était Fréquence Reggae. Fréquence Reggae. Rendez-vous demain, même heure, même endroit.